This mama duck and her ducklings were getting a bit too close to the edge of the water, obviously a bit curious what was on the other side. As the mama pushed herself away to safety, one of her babies ended up getting taken by the water and falling over the edge. Thankfully, this was only a few feet high, so even though the duckling was totally fine, it was now separated from the group and had no way of getting back up. The mom immediately recognized this and could be seen trying to figure out what to do next. After a few moments of thinking, the mom ended up jumping over the edge to try and rescue her baby, which triggered all of the ducklings to go for it and jump as well. Thankfully, they all made it down just fine, and even though this was definitely a bit chaotic, they all ended up completely unharmed and back together